Quantinuum, a leading company in the quantum computing industry, has shattered the groundbreaking quantum supremacy record set by Google's Sycamore. While it took classical supercomputers 10,000 years to complete a specific task, Quantinuum's new 56-qubit quantum computer, called the H2-1, achieved the same feat in just 200 seconds. This marks a staggering 100-fold improvement. Quantinuum's achievement is a result of their extensive research and experiments conducted between January and June 2024. By utilizing the random circuit sampling algorithm, they achieved a remarkable linear cross-entropy benchmark score of approximately 0.35. This is over 100 times better than previous demonstrations, showcasing their significant performance improvement. In addition, the H2-1 also showcases the advancement of quantum error correction and logical qubits. By creating 4 highly reliable logical qubits, its fault-tolerant quantum computing capability surpasses any other in the industry. The logical circuit error rates are up to 800 times lower than physical circuit error rates, cementing Quantinuum's dominance. This breakthrough by Quantinuum not only sets a new high watermark in the field of quantum computing but also presents profound implications for the future. As we move forward, the quest for quantum supremacy becomes closer to reality. A future where quantum computing plays a central role in solving the world's most complex problems is now within our reach. Thank you for joining us on this journey.